a nice camera, ain't it? Alright, time to get out. I'm finna set up in your car. Alright, guys. We'll go ahead and yeah, probably so. Oh, so blurry. Come on, fix up. Alright, guys, welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering why we didn't start the video with a cold start. Or is that Femi? That's Femi? Gotta be Femi. It is Femi. Just cruising. But you're probably wondering why I didn't start my video off with the Z, and here's why. Anyways, yesterday we were doing a little fun driving and went to Sonic's and whatever, and the car pretty much just went poop on me. The clutch is what we're expecting went out bad, because like we started getting a whining noise whenever I would press the clutch in, and then trying to diagnose the problem, trying to move the car made it worse, because then we started hearing a whole bunch of rumbling, which is probably the clutch exploding in between the flywheel and the pressure plate. So we're just gonna assume that that's it. But good news, we've already bought a clutch kit, so hopefully that comes in. We bought it from Z1. I'm not telling you what exactly I got from Z1. I'm gonna just let you guys guess in the comments. But yeah, we'll be doing that soon, very, very soon. Hopefully it comes in tomorrow. Maybe we can start then. Maybe we'll just start on taking apart things so we can, you know, have more time of our day, because I'm in school. So yeah, but if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video, because today we got a lot of things planned to do.
To get back to Acer, should I go that way? Should I go that way? Which way?
That way. That right. Let's see how this thing works. If it falls, I'm gonna cry. Huh? What is that going on?
Hey, chill out. Chill out.
I might have it mounted here whenever I do like driving clips. Are
you recording?
Yeah. He's like, oh, this chill wine finna go dumb.
What is chill wine?
It's like, how do I explain it? I wouldn't call it a Dr. Pepper. I'll call it more cherry than Coke. That makes sense, or like a Dr. Pibb. It's just tough. If y'all ever go to cookouts, if y'all stay around anywhere that has a cookout, chill wine, cookout tray with a big double burger with everything on it except for mayo. No, except for everything but lettuce, tomato, and their onion, because their onion is too much for me. You good. You good. This stuff right here. Good.
Straight.
I'll see you film me like 3 times today. Guys, what we're about to do now, probably gonna eat first because I'm hungry, and then we're gonna continue sanding down Ace's car, which you guys have not seen yet.
It should be done sanding.
Or well, done sanding, and we're gonna go ahead and begin starting to paint it.
You should see our paintbrush. Yeah. We did some Frankenstein stuff with the paint.
With the paintbrush?
With the actual like paint, like the colors and everything.
Oh no.
We don't know what's gonna happen.
No.
It's 2 different like paints and all this. I really hope this. I don't know which one it is.
This is the first one. It should be the first one.
I'm clicking the first one. That's good.
We're not getting in. Oh, did it work?
No, that was me going in reverse.
Oh.
Wow, this shit dead ass not. Bro, what the fuck? You try.
Let's see.
That's gay.
That's dumb gay. What's going on? Oh. Yeah, we just gonna.
That's how I got in last time.
Alright, after a little break, we're back, and let me go ahead and show you guys. You guys probably already saw in the background, but we are prepping this car for paint. Well, at least the bumper. So, got this bumper off our guy, Tyler, and we're putting this to use, and we're going to be painting it very soon. Well, hopefully soon. Been sanding all day. Well, they've been sanding all day. Pretty much going to change the color of this, and eventually the whole car.
Damn, bro.
Sanding team.
More? Right.
You guys are probably wondering why they're sanding this area so much and so well. But this is where the Nissan emblem used to go on the stock 350Z. So pretty much there would be like a big embossment where you would put the badge in, and we pretty much have like elite here. So we have to put Bondo on and cover it up. And now we're trying to get it down really smooth, so when we paint it, it doesn't show that blemish of a big dent into the bumper. Alright, it's getting a little bit dark. Now, bumper's gonna pretty much get painted now. I've got to fit my ant while picking up some stuff.
I'm gonna try and move it.
Ouch. Yeah.
If I can.
Goes the bumper. Here goes a beautiful pond. Okay. It's gonna be really bad in quality, but whatever. It's getting real dark, but we're about to get ready to paint it out here, right there. Maybe you guys will see the color. Of course you guys are gonna see the color. You're about to see the paint, so yeah. Go ahead. Start this group.
I'm trying to not get any on the concrete, like the grass doesn't really matter. Is there another sheet? Cut that one good. This is good. Fine. That should be good.
Paint we'll be using today. Spray can. Oh. Spray can. Certified YouTube mechanics. You did it?
Adam?
Adam?
Nick?
Nick? Where y'all at?
Even though you want to go again.
Just gotta do a few light coats.
Special effects. I see a boat.
Yeah, here.
No run thing. Oh my goodness. So with this, you don't need a clear coat.
I don't think I'm gonna pull one on. I might. I don't know.
Ouch. putting in the dazzle effect. It smells pretty, man.
Okay. You see the glitters?
Hey! Hey! It's a little bedazzling. Thanks. Oh, this don't look nice.
Don't close. And then just do one solid.
I just didn't want to waste the whole bunch of it.
Cause you see right here, look. You like the fucking dots and shit.
It's a little bit of a send out.
It is getting bedazzled though. Oh, that's going hard, Asa.
Don't do it.
Yep. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Hey, don't worry.
We'll see tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I'm gonna leave it here for me.
Remember how I told you guys about that Pondo to see if y'all see any kind of blemishes? Nothing there. Looks like the bumper came out like this. Looks pretty good. We're not even finished yet. Alright guys, I did not end the video pretty much correctly. I forgot to give you guys a nice farewell bidding. Pretty much everything's done for right now on the car. We got the bumper painted. We're gonna be doing the fenders and the hood and seeing what the complete combo looks like. And thanks again for watching the video. Thanks again for subscribing. Thanks again for liking. For anybody that's on my channel, we're gonna come back with some more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and